Is that him like lifting his stomach up?
Yeah, I'm not moving right now.
Oh,
Baby's
wow.
still moving.
Oh,
So it's like hiccups.
Yeah.
Wow.
Are those baby hiccups?
They can get hiccups now.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh, he has hiccups.
So cute. Big stretch.
Is that normal to have hiccups inside here?
Yeah, I see it all the time. Like, eventually you'll feel those hiccups. And it's just a real rhythmic boom, boom. You'll feel it and it's crazy.